Okay, this is stock number 2-58K. This is a Saturn SL1 2001. This is the single cam 4-cylinder. The 1.9 liter California emissions. So it's got the, oh come on, where's the latch? There we go. Yeah, there we go. So it's got the air pump. The air pump's junk. Throwing a code for it. Vibrates a little while it's running, but other than that, it seems like it's okay. A little bit of a valve cover leak. No overheat or anything though. There is a check engine light on. It is for the air pump. Also, it's got an EVAP leak and bank 1 sensor 2 oxygen sensor, so downstream mode 2. But that's all it's got for lights. 199, 885 for mileage on this thing, but and it's a 5-speed stick. But aside from that, it doesn't really seem that bad. So let's take it for a spin and see if it actually moves on its own. All right, brake light went off when I took the e-brake off. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. There's no clutch. Okay, let me try something. Okay, so the transmission shifts fine in all the gears when the car's off. Oh yeah, the clutch is completely worn out because my foot is like through the bores right now in order to keep it running. And there's really no, there's a little bit of a pedal, but not much. You don't start getting resistance until about here, so about halfway. So I'm guessing that the clutch is just completely worn out in this thing. So that's probably why they gave it up. Alright, but the transmission does check out. I can't drive it if it's going to do that because I don't want to mess up the gears or anything. It's going to grind every time I try to shift this thing, most likely. So, but I mean, when the car's turned off, it runs fine, except for those codes, like I told you, nothing major there. And the transmission goes in and out of gear, all the gears, reverse, everything else when it's off, just fine. So I would say the transmission is okay as well at this point. So yeah, looks pretty good. Okay.